Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and here's my new build. So this build is made for a friend who asked me to build him a liquid cooling setup that's affordable actually. He wanted something quieter, and as you can see, the CPU, water pump, and a reservoir combo was from my previous review. So in this build, as you can see, there is 7 in-wind series loop fans. I was asking from some of you guys that how do you connect the light to sync? And also, how do you make the fan run at the same time? Like last time I explained to some of the guys in my previous video for the in-wind series loop that you have to daisy chain it in order for it to be synchronized with all the lights. And also, and some of the question was also for how do you sync the fans? Because some motherboards don't have 7 fans or 6 fan slots. So what I did was I went out and bought a deep cool fan controller. So what it is it controls up to 11 fans. So all you have to do is insert the wire to the CPU fan. So why don't you follow me over here and I'll show you where I put the RGB controller. So as you can see, I put the RGB controller in a very discrete area where you can control the lighting effect. So watch me change the settings. So as you can see right here, I'm changing the light, the effect, all change at one time. And to be honest, this set of lights, it only costs you about 70 bucks. $7 for 7 lights. It's like $10 a piece. You can't beat the price of this type of fan and how beautiful and bright and not intrusive as other lightware is super bright. And it's very modern too. So there's a lot of settings, and whichever suit your style, you can change it or whatever mood you're in. But right now this build is more of a white and blue and black theme. So I leave it as white for the fans, blue as for the rams, and there you go. So as you can see, the liquid cooling setup is really nice. You can't beat the price. This is a piece of art in your house where you can just display it when you're playing game, and when you have guests come over, they're gonna ask you, wow, it's amazing. The best thing about this is this whole liquid cooling setup, I'm not talking about the component, the PC component, but I'm talking about the liquid cooling reservoir pump, radiator, the tubing. It runs around only $200 to $210. If this is something that you like, under my description, I'm gonna link you guys all the components and PC parts that I got for an affordable price. As you know, I'm not always the best, so I made a couple of mistakes, and at the end of the video, you see some of my bloopers. You know how liquid flow out of the pump and the tube. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. All right, let's open the box. So right now I'm going to remove the front fans, the front 3 fans, and replace it with the in-wind series loop. Fairly simple to do. Just unscrew the 12 screws. So the good thing about this case is you can mount the radiator in the front. You can remove the front panel to mount the radiator easier. So let's go. So right now I'm going to install the fan and rad into the front mount. Just going to line it right now. So right here I'm using extension cable instead of buying $200-300 worth of cables. They save a lot of money. It's only 30 bucks on Amazon.